there's a pretty cool looking tunnel coming up soon. It's called the Milky Tunnel. It's going to be interesting, I think. It's probably not too far from here. I think we're just coming up to the tunnel now. Interesting tunnel. Tell us about it, Mike. You drove it. What did you think?
It is narrow. I had to breathe in to get through it.
Are you nervous?
Not nervous, just make sure I can hold my breath.
So I've just turned off Highway 43 again and now we're heading down to Mount Damper Falls, the second highest waterfall in New Zealand. That'll be interesting to see. So we're just parked in the car park for Mount Damper Falls. We're going to go do it now. It's a 20-minute walk to the waterfall. Through the furthest farmland so far. There's a little Phillips out there making a bleating sound. Well, bleating. Oh, that's what Minty missed out on, a real mum with a pilly bum. After the dreary old wet day yesterday, it's come out beautiful today. It's nice and sunny this afternoon. It's blue skies. Viewpoint coming up here. It doesn't actually look like you can get down to the bottom, but it is a long way down. Okay, let's capture our expressions. Hang on, I'm not looking at it yet, not looking at it, not looking at it.
Oh wow, you must look at it.
Oh wow, that is long. That is very long. It's the second highest waterfall in the North Island. What's the second to, Mike?
Pass.
So nobody knows, but it's 74 metres high. Really neat how it sort of starts skinny at the top there and then it just fans out. Look at that little fern just growing out the side of the cliff. Just found another little waterfall through here. I'll watch my step here though. So we're just driving through an unsealed section of the Forgotten World Highway. It's going through a gorge. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of it. I'll put it down below. It's really pretty. We're hoping to find somewhere to camp for the night. So we're just going down to have a look at a grave. So Mike's going to tell you more about it when we get there.
So it's this grave of Joshua Morgan, who was the original surveyor for the road up through here. He was a pioneer in his age. He died early at 35 and he's buried here.
It's quite sad, really. He designed this road, died, and then everyone forgot about it. It's a very pretty walk up here, just a short 5-minute walk off the highway.
set it free.
We've just stopped at this lookout. We just noticed hidden in the clouds over there, looks like a mountain. And it's not Mount Taranaki where we just came from.
No.
I'm really
No.
disorientated if it is. So if that cloud would just move, we'd see some snow.
Happy here.
So there's been nowhere to stop and camp since we left the waterfalls, the Mount Damp Falls. So we're just keeping on driving until we find something.
Rising on
There's a dock camp about 10 minutes from here. We're going to go have a look. It says booking's essential, but we're just going to play it by ear. We haven't seen anybody. We've hardly seen another car today, so I can't see it being booked.
I can stand up.
Just heading down to the dock site now. Hopefully it's okay. We're not driving any further.
Ask her if she's doing fine. Am I reaching through the line? When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Good morning. What a beautiful place to wake up, right on the Whanganui River. Gonna make a coffee. Sleeping. Want the coffee? Get it when you're ready. One of the things I love the most about camping is waking up in places like this. And I love Justin, he's going so well. Pity we've got to go back and have a haircut. But as you can see, I need it. Here he comes. Yay, mic's up.
Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Good timing.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We're just leaving the lovely campsite there. We just watched some canoers go out with some Ohinepane adventures. They look like a good crowd to go with, good fun. Just coming into the township of Whanganui, and that's the end of the Forgotten World Highway. It's done. That's it. So until next time, stay safe, have fun, and be happy.
His tail's gone.
All over me before.
Philip, say hello to YouTube.
We've learned how much you've grown. You're really growing, haven't you?
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello.